Hey guys, this was a fun and interesting cooking show we saw while we were on our Holland America cruise in early 2022. It's called Port to Table and was only available during the last day of our cruise at 1 p.m. Take a look at some of the highlights from the demo.
Usually found on the different islands. Now some of you may be a little bit intimidations about tree, but you are familiar with the fruit that it yields, which is allspice. You probably have it in your spice cabinet right now. There was a lot of oil that was carried over. Chef Thomas, who is actually a chef from Holland America.
Make our jerk marinade to make our chicken jerky.
Okay.
So we're going to start with some thyme, allspice, which you mentioned.
Yes.
And as well a little bit of nutmeg.
Okay, all of those spices.
Factor, which is going to be our habanero.
Habaneros. Okay, how many of you like spicy food? All right, here we go with the habaneros.
Well, so then I put two. Good thing. All right. Yeah, because if you don't, then make sure you wash your hands thoroughly before you go to the washroom. Otherwise, bad things will happen.
Yes. Really hot saute pan. Yeah, it's not going to turn on.
To cook the rice, if you don't want to use all coconut milk, you can also dilute. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some lime zest and also lime juice.
So for all of you who like buying kitchen gadgets, you don't need to buy a lime juice squeezer.
Oh, you don't have a ring, it's not a problem. You can just put it in a bowl, pack it in as well, and then turn it upside down. Okay. Then next we're going to take our chicken. Should fit.
Right on top. Perfect.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then we're going to take this lovely pineapple and just put that on.
What a nice garnish.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now with the scallions, I noticed you're only using the green part. Does it make a difference, the green part versus the white?
Well, it adds the colors which you're looking for.
Okay.
Yeah, and it gets more bite as well as opposed to the white. So we like to use the green ones then definitely for the garnish. The whites, the end parts, we like to more use it for stocks and soups.
Stocks and soups.
Mm-hmm. We serve this in the dining room. It's on one of the cycles. I think it's already passed because we're on the last day now. So yeah. You'll be here next time? Okay.
All right,
or you
check
can
the dining room.
Yeah, and if you're here next week, then just look at the days. We switch them around, so when you see it, then you can definitely, or you can get a hold of the executive chef and say, hey, I want my jerky.